Hey, it's Tamira today. How we doing today? Yes, I got some new hair. Y'all like it? Yeah, I know it's not as colorful, but sometimes you need to do something different, and that's what I did. And you gonna like whatever comes out of my bonnet, okay? Anyway, as you can see by the title, we're gonna try the Douyin makeup, which I believe originates in China. Anyway, without further ado, we're gonna get started because, you know, I don't have all day. And as you guessed it, let me hear you say it. If you said I'm running already late, you're so correct, bestie. So let's get this over with. Let's go ahead and put a majority of this back at the very least. Yeah, eyebrows are already done. They usually have like a straight brow, but I'm not shaving off my eyebrows. Just a, yeah, no, that's not gonna work for me. So I'm gonna do that my own way. You guys will also be happy to know I had actually cleaned my makeup brushes for the first time in damn near a month. I think literally since I had jury duty. Back, you know, the week of April 26th. Yeah, that's nasty. Don't do that. Don't be like me, okay? Do as I say, not as I do. Anyway, I'm gonna use this NYX eyeshadow base. And just put that on my eyelids so we can have a nice, clean, blank canvas. Jury duty was an experience for me. Listen, Detroit is messy, okay? Messy. But if you nosy, just like me, cause I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm nosy as but yeah, if you nosy like me, it is perfect for you. Now I ain't gonna lie, I was mad at first. I'm like, now why is everybody here wasting my time? But baby, that was a time to be alive. Oh yeah, he was guilty. like you're supposed to start off with them innocent, thinking, I'm sorry, you're supposed to start off with thinking that they're innocent, and then let the charges brought forth. But as soon as he read the counts, like the judge read the counts, I was like, oof, it's not looking good for you, buddy. But you know, again, you innocent till proven guilty. You know, they caught him on camera, so I'm like, you know what? Yeah, it don't look good for you, homie. But there's some stuff we let him off on because there wasn't enough evidence, but the rest of the stuff, I'm like, yeah, you're not getting away with that. All right, so honestly, I feel like the Sailor Moon palette will probably be the best because it has all these pinks and shimmers. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use Miracle Romance and just a light dusting all over my lid. So we're gonna take this, tap off the excess. Get the wrinkles out your eye before you begin. Just lightly take that all over. And I mean all over. But no, yeah, just make sure you fluff it up and then out. Okay, yeah, that looks pink. So I did my job. I need to clean my room. I'm gonna take this About Face Fractal Glitter Eye Paint in Refract. And what we're gonna do here is just like, keep that close. Bring it almost like a cut crease. And I have hooded eyes, so I have to look up and go a little higher. Otherwise, y'all will not see it. And I'm so serious. Y'all will not see this junk. Can you see it? No, you still can't see it. Okay. And you don't have to bring it all the way, but just like enough to where you can like see it and then blend it out. So like that. Perfect, perfect. On the other side, same thing. So just go in. For us hooded eye gals, make sure you go up higher. So look up. Okay, you don't see it? Great, 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 great. Focus. Focus. I feel like I'm in euphoria right now and like somebody's high. I'm trying to talk to them and be like, hey, focus. Can you feel your legs? I'm so fucking weird. So this part might be a little hard to explain, but I will do my best. So next is the wing, but they have like a straight wing, so it's essentially, I probably should do this with like a powder eyeshadow or something, you know, so I don't fuck up. But you know, we're living on the wild side today and every day, and I don't have time. I'm late. So like that, and then you connect the triangle. Did y'all see that? I'm like debating whether or not to wear lashes. Like, again, I don't have time. but that might really pull this look together. Well, I think what will pull this look together is like a pair of like anime or manga lashes. All right, so I'm gonna show you on the other side. Now, honestly, this is the side that I fuck up all the time on, so forgive me. Let's see. All right, okay, I can't breathe for like 2 seconds. Okay, ready? Does that look even? I mean, if it's not, it's above me now. That's pretty. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint. You can use this with your fingers. Honestly, it works better with your fingers, but for the lack of time that we have today, that I've said 100 times. Don't forget that neck. Yes, I put on sunscreen before I did this. And yes, black people, you need sunscreen too. Don't think just because you got melanin that you special, because you're not. Skin cancer does not discriminate, and it don't go away either. I'm using Beauty Blender just to make sure it's all blended. Got some contour. All right, so for the nose, you wanna make sure, let me grab a mirror. It's kind of like a straight shot, and then you wanna have that little curve right there at the button. At least this is my understanding of it. That's what it looks like in the photo, at least, so I could be wrong. But this is what I got out of that, so I'm gonna do it this way. So we're gonna go up, just like that, creating a nice elongated illusion. I'm not gonna do like the bridge thing that I usually do. It doesn't look like they do that. Again, could be wrong, but I didn't see it in the reference photos that I took. So here, all the way up to the brow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she snatched. All right, let's get this faux hit. I use an angular brush and just gonna sweep. Yeah, I remember that one episode of That's So Raven where it was like the chimney sweep episode. Like they're in a school play and they go sweep, sweep. Nobody, anybody, somebody. If you understood, cue comment for me, please. Thanks. I'd appreciate it. That's So Raven was my show, man. It was just so much fun. Next is concealer. I have one that's my skin tone and then one that's a little lighter. So we're gonna just take them and go here. It looks like they want to brighten things up. So this is my skin tone one. Bruh, I do not know when my camera cut off. Anyways, I'm gonna take two concealers. One my skin tone and the other one a little lighter. So I took my skin tone one and put them everywhere that you put concealer. Up here, between the contour. Now I'm taking the lighter shade and going in the corner. On the forehead, bring that one up a little bit on the chin, the mustache. And we're just gonna go to town. This is damp. I put some rose butter on it, and we're just gonna go to town until it's all blended. I'm so sick that my camera cut off because I don't even know where it went. I have no idea when it cut off. So that's real unfortunate. I added just a little bit of an even lighter concealer just to make sure this area is bright. Go ahead and set that with powder. I'm not baking, I'm just pushing it in. We don't want no creases, but we do want brightness. So everywhere where you conceal. Do I look bright yet? Okay. Yeah, I'm very crunched for time. Mascara. My camera got one more time to cut off on me, and oh god, I'm squaring up with it. It's gonna go out this window, and I'm so serious. All right, so I took some brown eyeshadow, or brown contour works, and you're gonna want to accentuate your eye bags. So like, make them look real. I'm sure for a lot of us they are real. So again, right where the eye bag is, oh yeah, we're going somewhere. Yeah, you see how it's accentuated? Yeah, I guess they really love eye bags to make them look pretty. I can get jiggy with that. Also, blend it out with your finger if you can. Then I'm gonna take, again, back that about face fractal glitter eye paint that I had earlier, and I'm gonna put that in the center. Make it look all pretty and glittery. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. Because why cover your eye bags? They're a natural part of life. Embrace them, make them pretty. Like, seriously, how pretty is that? Like what? Mascara on the bottom lash line. All right, so for blush, I know they like to go like really high up. So I'm gonna use like the, maybe like a mix of these two, my Jaclyn Hill palette, the Fantasy and Admirer. Just gonna go back and forth, dust off the excess and take it high up. Pretty much under the eyes. I'm gonna put some on like the very tip of my nose, like down here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, wait, this is so pretty, you guys. Like, I'm excited to see what the final look is gonna be like. Hopefully in like a few minutes, because again, I'm running late. You know, just take a shot every time I say I'm running late. And yeah, talk about a good time. You don't need to go to a club, just watch my videos. No, seriously, please watch my videos. Make sure your contour and concealer and foundation are all blended, especially up here. So I'm gonna go over everything just to make sure. Specifically that forehead. Okay, so not gonna lie, the lip part for me is probably going to be the trickiest. It's tricky, 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 tricky. Okay, so from what I've seen, you wanna get rid of the Cupid's bow, which I do anyway. Oh yeah, you're gonna wanna go ahead and moisturize your lips really at the beginning of this process. Sorry if I didn't tell you that, but I guess you should know that. I guess unless you're a beginner. Okay, yeah, make sure your lips are moisturized. So when you put on liquid lipstick, it doesn't feel like death. Put it over. Just like that. See how it's dark like that? Then like here. Here. And in the corners, like that. Basically, it's supposed to give the illusion of a pouty lip. I used the brown lip liner. So I'm gonna take this About Face matte lip paint. The shade, I don't know how to pronounce that. Is it Saccharine? Saccharine? Child, I don't know. Anyway, oh my god, if this camera cut off on me one more time. I know I said that last time. We're gonna take this damn lip paint from About Face Beauty, and we're literally going to put it like a little bit in the center, just the center, right? So like, you can use a brush too and just go, or you can use your finger like I'm doing and to blend it out. Then I got this lip oil that I got from ColourPop with their Avatar: The Last Airbender collection. I'm going to put that everywhere else. I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. All right, and for the last step of my lips, we're going to take this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy and put that all over. I forgot how good those smell. Okay, she is the moment. She's always been the moment. Okay, I got word from the council, aka my other personalities, and they want me to add more glitter to my lower lash line. So I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah. Oh shit, spoke too soon, huh? I was just about to say, oh yeah, it's all coming together. You know, like Kronk. All right, so let's put on some highlight. I think I'm just gonna do it on like my entire nose instead of like, cause I think it's supposed to be more of a matte look, except the nose, as far as I can tell, at least by the photo. So I'm just gonna put it straight down, like a 2016 highlight job or whatever the frick they used to call it. Now this is my more subtle highlight. I don't know where my Fenty Beauty one is, and I'm sick to my stomach, cause now talk about a bam highlight. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the final look. What do we think, huh? It was pretty, I don't want to say it was easy, but it was a lot of fun. Honestly, I was kind of in... Child, my camera is just acting so ugly, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna use my phone for the rest of this video. It's only a little bit. So yeah, this is the final look. What do we think? Like, I just feel like I look so cute. Like, look at these eye bags. They're so glittery and sparkly. Like, ooh, I'm the shit. You can't tell me nothing else. I'm the shit. I'm simply the shit. I'm simply the shit. Like, ooh, I'm that girl. I've always been that girl. Will forever be that girl. Okay, listen to me. All right, I for real gotta go. I should have been gone like 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, whatever. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It would truly mean the world to me if you did that. You could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Eat your vegetables, drink your water, wear your sunscreen, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.